How do you manage being superstar rapper, superstar athlete, superstar student, dope energy? You have an amazing team. When you guys walked in, the energy was like, I'm inspired now. I'm like, man, let's go figure out what deals we can get together. Like, how do you're not even 20.
Yeah.
How do you manage all of this and keep your energy and your spirit high?
Man.
The real answer to
The real answer is like, I'm blessed, like for real. Cause like, I feel like everything is like a mindset. And like, you could be like, some people just see the world differently, but I always see it in like a positive light. I try to.
Yeah.
And I think that's just what's different. Like, I don't really let nothing get to me.
That's a good piece.
I never let anything get to me. And I'm always trying to just learn and grow. And so like, just like, I like to have good energy. Like, who want to be a Debbie Downer? Like, you don't make no money like that. No good money.
Say it again.
Like, I feel like that's just like, you know what I'm saying? Like, give good vibes. I feel like you get what you give. Like, you know what I'm saying? So I just try to keep the good vibes. And that's just how I am. And that's how I want everybody around me to be. So if you're not like that, you got to go.
Yeah.
Like, that's what
And I think it's her being in it so early, too.
Yeah.
Because she saw everything. She saw the ups. She saw the downs. When we was on when we was on the rap game first,
Yeah.
she left the studio first. She was 12. But she knew she was getting really lessons. Like everything JD taught her in the house. And everybody knew her daddy, so they didn't want to make her feel like, oh, we giving her favoritism because we know your pops.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So even Jada Kids, Rick Ross was like, you gonna be a beast. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just gotta stay consistent. And everything they taught her, walk in the room and like you own it without being cocky, still be humble. All of that. Like, this girl light up a room. You know what I'm saying? Like, without being all sedity and, please get security. We not doing all that. You know what I'm saying? We gonna stay.
But hold on, even saying that, like, I think what you said, like, going up and down, like, after the rap game, I see my numbers go up, and I seen them drop right back down. You know what I'm saying? Going on America's Got Talent, I seen it go up, and I seen it come right back down. So, like, I learned how to stay, like, even keel. You know what I'm saying? And, like, balancing it is just, like, a strict schedule that I gotta stay on. If I don't stay on it, I'm lacking. You know what I'm saying? Like, making sure, like, I do my work, making sure, like, I just gotta stay on the schedule. If I don't stay on the schedule, I'm over it. But I think staying even keel is good too. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Not too low, regardless.
Yeah.
So we've never seen an athlete be a star in music and sports. It's never happened.
Mm-mm.
People have tried music. Like,
Right.
Allen Iverson's put out music.
Don't laugh.
Don't
My
laugh.
God.
I'm just
He had a good song. Shout out to Bubba Chuck.
I thought you were going to start with Shaq.
Shaq is the most successful.
Most successful, yeah.
He's the most
Yeah,
successful.
yes.
One.
Dame is nice.
Dame is the most talented
Yeah, Dame is
as
nice.
far as
That's a good, okay.
but still, it's just extremely difficult to, because you put hours and hours and hours to be a great musician, or you put hours and hours and hours to be a great athlete.
Yeah.
I don't think anybody has been able to do that. So do you think that at some point you have to choose one?
No, Flau'jae is the first hooper, rapper, national champion. She's the first.
I love that confidence.
Hold on. Why people, man, not clapping? Not clapping.
So, but all right. So, but you've done a great job. But when you elevate, right? You're going to be a professional
Yeah.
basketball player at some point, and you're going to be a superstar musician at some point. So it's like,
Speak it.
do you what's your plan? What's your game plan to make sure that you don't compromise
Right.
either one of them?
Okay, that's perfect. But like, okay, so I look at it like, boom, I'm a college student with 2 jobs, right? Boom. And I feel like as long as I'm writing this college NIL thing out, you know what I'm saying? I have time for that plan, but like, I feel like the next steps in my life is already mapped out. Like, I want to go, like, I want to play in the season. When I'm playing basketball, that's when I do my season. That's when I do my NIL deals. That's when I'm a basketball player. That off season, I'm outside. Like, I'm trying to tour, you know what I'm saying? And like, I feel like that creates that balance. You know what I'm saying? And I think that it's going to be hard, but it's not going to be impossible because it's never been done. Nothing can be impossible if it hasn't been tested. You know what I'm saying? So I think that it's just how we going to orchestrate it. It's how we set it up because we creating a blueprint because it's never been done before. You know what I'm saying? And I think that with the structure that I have with college, it's going to help me. Like, I have a schedule and it's crazy. Like, college, y'all know how college is crazy. But being a student athlete is even crazy. So adding a rapper into that mix is insane. So just finding those holes and spots is the way that I get my creativity off. You know what I mean? But let's see, from we won the championship April. From April to August, I'm good. To be in off season, to do whatever I got to do musically. So in these months, I'm getting all the content I can, recording all the songs that I can.
But you're still training though.
And I'm still training, recording everything that I can, and making sure, but I got to stay up the part, like you said. But it's like, professionals, they do like one workout a day, one strength a day, and then they go on about the rest of the day.
And most rappers aren't writing a song a day.
You know what I'm saying?
Honest.
Exactly.
Most rappers writing 20 songs.
So you can work out for 2 hours a day.
Yeah.
And then you can go to the studio. It's just about multitasking and being disciplined
It's
with your
about
time.
being disciplined and consistent. And I think that that's something that I try to work on all the time. Just discipline and consistency. Discipline and consistency.
And the 5 a.m.s, Flau'jae wake up before anybody else. So people got more time, they just don't utilize it.
Maximize them hours. Flau'jae, you said something very important, and it made me think back. You said that you were a college student with 2 jobs. I was once a college student with 2 jobs. Those 2 jobs accumulated to $31,000. I know. Let that sit with you. How are we managing dealing with having money and being in college? Because majority of the people that are there don't have the capital.
Yeah.
You have deals, so you do. Being a student athlete, the NIL deals. How is that? I guess that's for both of you.
Man.
As momager and mom and daughter and athlete.
I just had to get a financial advisor.
Yeah.
I've been spending a little bit.
She ain't been spending that much though, because I can honestly say she have not really bought really nothing for herself. She's more of a giver.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I've been giving a lot. And I've been giving a lot.
And it ain't me.
And I just got my first little gift to myself.
The bust down.
No, it's the bust down.
Nothing little about that.
No, it's the 41 for sure.
Yep.
That's the 41 millimeter.
That's not-
Yeah.
She's a star, yo.
You know what I mean? But
Yes,
but
yes.
honestly, like I had to learn, I'm learning, like when I get back to school, I'm on a strict schedule.
Yep.
I'm gonna eat at the nutrition center. That's free food. for
Free
everyone. You feel me? And I'm gonna just try to like cut down on the Chipotle and all the spinning and all of that. But
The guac.
extra guac, extra steak.
Was that say it again?
I go rice, beans, extra guac.
Chipotle?
Chipotle.
Got you.
Chipotle, first of all, I need that deal. First of all, I need
Let's
that.
make that happen.
Yeah,
I need that deal.
Please.
Immediate.
Got a meal made specifically for her.
Yeah, but like that's
Meal
a
of
fact.
champions.
Yeah, we thinking.
But no, I just got to be more careful now. You know what I'm saying? Even with like the popularity and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Just being more careful, being more aware, and just being smarter. Like I told Mama now I'm ready to invest. I'm ready to like put my money into stuff and really watch it grow and have passive income and stuff like that. So I think just like being smart with it, but also having fun with it. Cause like if I die tomorrow and I ain't spending, I'm gonna be mad. You know what I mean?
You having a financial advisor, you said?
Yeah.
What was the process in hiring him, and what is he? Or is it a him?
Yeah, it's a team, but it just was like, I'm her mom, and at the end of the day, like I'm her manager too. I don't want to be too like overbearing.
Yeah.
So I just gotta figure out a way that makes us still great where we need to be in a great space. So giving somebody else that responsibility takes it off me as a mom. Just she trying to take it. You know what I'm saying? So I just think that, she's very strong-minded. Me as a mom, just letting everybody know, Flau'jae is a college student. Don't call her during the season. That's family, friends. Don't give her y'all problems. That's not her problem.
Yeah.
It's straight up. I don't even go to my child with her problems, and I work with her every day. Like, literally, don't do it. I don't do it to nobody, so don't do it to mine. So just pretty much letting them know, like, because people just, they sending Cash App requests.
Like crazy, right?
We was like, well, what? I mean,
Well, you
would
got
want
us,
me a
though.
Cuban?
What's
I'm
wrong
like,
with
my son
us?
don't even got Cuban.
I don't know.
I mean, and they think like, $1 million, $2 million, $3 million is a lot of money. It's
That's not a lot of money.
Say it again.
It's not.
That's
a
not
lot
a lot
of
of
money.
Boy, tax.
By the time taxes hit, by the time you pay lawyers, publicists, your team, I mean, it's not management.
Help out
It's
some
just
cousins.
not a lot of money.
Yeah.
And people think that, and no disrespect, but buy you a house, a nice car. I mean, it's gone. So people just gotta stop being small-minded. You know what I'm saying? And thinking that, you get $1 million, you just rich, you stupid rich. Yes, she's blessed. She's wealthy. But at the same time, how do we maximize this? How we continue to flip this to keep it on? Not by giving everybody cash apps every week
Yeah.
or paying everybody rent.
And my mama though, she's really good with money. Like she's like one person. Like, and I just seen the story with Jason Tatum, how his mom like she don't let him.
He hasn't spent $1 from his NBA.
Yeah, which is crazy. And I feel like my mom is on that type of wave. Like, you know what I'm saying? She real good with money and she don't really give me what I need. And so we have a good balance. But like getting that advisor, I just want to know how I can expand my money, like insurance and stuff like that and different things. Yeah. How I can make sure that I'm good and I'm protected. And like my little brother's protected for when they want to go to college and stuff like that. So I think that just being smart with it, I want to go into the lane of me being a businesswoman. So just understanding everything is like really important to me.
Are you investing in the stock market yet?
Not yet. I had just turned, I was looking at it. I was all in crypto. Me and my brother London, we was all in crypto. And then crypto went down. I was like, oh my God, I'm glad I didn't put no money in it for real. But I started looking in stocks because I seen your video come up and you was like, you just bought the Apple phone, right? You could have bought X amount of shares. I was like, yeah. But I was like, I'm thinking about it, but I just want to be in the right, position, just know what I'm going on. Like I bought books so I can read. Yeah. But when I like to learn and know before I just
you just jump out the window.
Yeah.
My graduates from my school being Forbes, bag drop.
Bag drop.
A mic drop. Bag drop.
Bag drop.